You're welcome. So on this video we're going to be discussing how to make videos for our products. So we actually have a couple of apps that we can use both on our phones and on our systems. For system, I mostly use Camtasia, but on phone I prefer InShot. But you can go to your app store or Play Store and just type in Movie Maker. The way you type in Movie Maker, they would have provide you with a lot of options which you can choose from. But I prefer to use InShot. So now we are on the InShot interface. So I'm going to be showing you basically two ways that we can do this. So the first way is using pictures together and then putting in background music, or getting an already made video maybe from YouTube or anywhere, then editing it with a couple of things and remaking it into our own video that we can use to advertise our products. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into it. So now this is the video here, so just click on it, click on video. Now it is on video like this. So now what we need to do is to select images. I don't have much image, but I have tried to sort for images here. So just tap on them. You can tap on the images, then select, use this icon here. So just tap on it to select. Then now you select. So now just tap on play and see it, so you can see how smooth it would be running. So now you can pause. The next thing I would generally do is to apply my sound. So I can come here now and click on music. So click on music, then tracks, go to tracks, and if you have any music that you want to use, you can come here on my music, or if you want to use any of the effects available. Currently it's on featured, so featured here now would be showing you the sound style. InShot has kind of access to kind of royalty, you understand? So yes, so now click on my music, so it will give you the access. But currently here now I don't have any music I can use on this, so I just go back to in the feature and click on this and just click on this now. And one other thing is, make sure when you are going in to bring your music, make sure this your ruler here, this one reading should be at the beginning, because if it's not at the beginning like this, your audio would not start from the beginning, to start from where it is. So you have to be the one to hold on it still and drag it back. So it is it is draggable. Now click and you can see. So that is how that works. Then you can now click on this icon here and to select, so click on it. So everything is integrated. So it's like that. So now you might want to put text, especially your phone number. So now this is what I'll do. just say Mubashir, then 234 81 33 8867. So now you can also want to give it a color. Just look around and see what would blend in. This is just for trading purpose. Then I can adjust it. As you can see, I have adjust and drag here. Now I can also change the font, which I would leave it as let me look for a bold one. Okay. I think I best leave it at this. Now this is the justification, so I prefer it like this. You can resize, increase the size, spread out, just be creative about it. You understand? So click on this. So you see what I told you. This is what the arrow is, so this is where it begins. So if I want it to begin from the beginning, I have to hold still and drag to where I want it to begin from, and I can always use this very arrows it has at its edge here. This one's to drag in and out. So you see, so now you can use that to drag. So once you have that done, okay, let's drag it to the end of the video. Yes. So now we can for me that's all, but for you, you can go in and still do more editing by putting sticker and covering things that you want to cover and go. Pop-ups, this pop-up is actually an option for where you want to bring in an overlay image, maybe like the way this one is. Now you want to bring in another image here, you can use the pop-up and the background and also you can be creative about it. So the next option is using already made a video. So won't waste much time. You can go to YouTube and search for video on any of the products you currently have at hand. After searching for it, you can download with the hub. If you're using your web version, the moment after the www.youtube.com, from your Y, from that Y that begins YouTube, wipe everything off backward with the www. I impute SS and click on enter. Once you tap on enter, it will take you to where you can actually download from. But if you're using the app, you can download an app from your Play Store called this is the app. It is called this is the app. It's called Save from Helper. So now I would go and click on YouTube. Click on YouTube and I'll search black bag. I'm just searching, it doesn't matter. So now let me look for a very small video. Okay, let's go with this 4 minutes video. So here now, I just click on these 3 dots to share. You can click to open. Let me just click to open for your own sake.
Hey, welcome back. I hope you're all so well. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about.
So now click on share. You see the share icon here. Click on share. So click on it. Then now look for the app you downloaded. Click on this. So checking if you know a robot. Yeah, chimney. This I made a mistake. Vehicle. Verify. Unknown traffic lights. I don't want this to wait too much time. Okay. So now wait. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait till this turn green. Then you can download. And so now you see it has turned green. So you can download. You can just tap on it. Then minimum quality. Let me just download it. Download. Okay, so let's wait for it to download. So welcome back. One thing I forgot is once you're done editing like this on your InShot, then you need to save to be able to have your video published so it will be usable for you. So now let me show you. This is the save button, so you can use that to save. So click on it. Now you select the quality you want. 720p is always good. It's good. 720p is always good. So and you can click on save to start for it to start saving. So it's nothing too difficult. So it's done, so you can always go and have access to it in your discarding this and click on video again. Now instead of being on pictures, photos, I'll go to video, and this is the video we downloaded. So tap on it and move forward. So if you click on it,
welcome back. I hope you're all so well. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about.
So now this is the video. So I would not want to waste much time on this. So now let's say we want to cut out some certain parts of the video to where she started showing backs. So now all you need to do is to scroll to that side. Scroll.
Of different colors that are.
You see. So now click on it and see this split icon. You use this to split it. So now I click to split. So now the videos have been split into two. So I'll come back and tap on the other end and now use this delete button here and click on delete. You see it's gone. So now
Tons and lots of different colors that are also really.
So now after letting that go, okay, let me still cut from here. Click on it, split like we did earlier, tap on the other end and delete. So this is all we have.
Tons and lots of different.
So now from here now we can do a lot about this. The first thing is we can actually remove our sound. You understand? So now once you're on it like this, scroll to the end and look for volume. So this is volume. Reduce the volume and tick OK. So you see there's no sound on it again, so thereby we can put in our own sound just the way we did earlier on, so I'm not still gonna waste time. So just a big one, yeah. So you see, it's as simple as and as quick as this. So click on this and yes, yeah. So you can also put text. I'm not gonna put anything difficult, you know. So, and let's say they have some kind of logo on it. This is where your stickers can come in handy. You can use your stickers to cover, or even yourself just using them on a normal day. You understand? So that is that. The only thing is, we just have to be creative about it. Don't have limit. Think and think. If you did not cut, and one thing is, if you did not notice very well, you might end up advertising for someone. That's why if you notice, I had to cut where face show, and that means I have this bag for sale. So anybody that sees this would be able to come and buy from me and rock it. So it's as simple as that. Creating a video for your product, get the images, assemble them, put music and a couple of text, or go on YouTube, search for the video, or on Facebook, download the video, bring back to your phone or computer and edit for one or two things. After the whole thing, click on save at the top end. Push this equality to 720. You can put it on 1000 plus, but to me it's 720 is okay, because you still have to upload it to other sites that would reduce it. Every one of us know that WhatsApp reduce the size of your pictures and videos once uploaded on their platform. So why stressing yourself publishing what will be reduced at the end of the day again? So that's why. So now click on save. It will save just like the first one with no stress. And this is their ad. If you did not pay for the pro plan, you will always keep seeing this ad. Okay, so now it's saving, and it's done saving. You see? Oh, so as easy as that.